Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Dhambi Singh, your English teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Dear students, this is the continuation of third chapter from your English reader book. In earlier videos, two videos, we have covered two chapters. Think I Love, that was first chapter, and the second chapter was A Tree House. Now, dear students, this is the third chapter from your English reader, class third. The name of this chapter is Tom and Becky. Dear student, Tom and Becky, these are two friends, and Tom is the main character in this. He is living and he is lively and a bold boy. He is lost for 3 days along with his friend Becky Thatcher. They take shelter in a cave, and let's see, read more and find whom they meet there and what's happened with them. Dear students, Tom and Becky were playing near the opening of the cave when they noticed the name on its wall. When they are playing in the front of the ball, we can say, of a cave. Okay, so what they saw on the ball of that cave, name of so many people's name and dates and address on the rocky balls was written. While walking and talking along, they didn't notice that there were a part of cave there was no names. They reached the point there no names was there. Okay, soon they reached a place where little streams of water was flowing into a opening. Tom entered in it and saw staircases. Tom wanted to see where it went. Beck agreed, and they made a smoke mark to return and start exploring the passage. Dear students, they are marking marking some points, smoke marks, so that they remember we started from here and we have to return back from here, and in which direction we have to go. In the same manner, if you are don't know the routes, now we used to remember. Sometimes we used to remember some harding boards, name of shops, or so many trees. In the same manner, they are making the smoke mark. Okay, a mark so that they remember the route to came back. They walked down into cave, making another mark. Indeed, an adventure. They couldn't talk about their friends. They came to a place where a large group of bats had packed themselves together. Thousands of birds. Lots of bats were there. Suddenly, the light disturbed the bats, and they attacking the candles. Bats attacked the candles. Tom took Becky's hand and ran into the first part that he saw. The bat chased them in a good distance, driving into the new passage. They had no time to make marks. Now the marks were not made by them because there was no time. They have to keep safe themselves from that bats, and the candles had been put out by the bats. Becky terrified. Tom's, I didn't notice, but I seem a lot's time since we heard anyone, she said. Yes, Becky, and I don't know how far we have reached. We can't hear anything, replied Tom. I wonder how long we have been down here. We better start back. So, dear students, when they are marking the points, they saw the group of bats punch themselves thousands of bunch, pack themselves together in thousands of bunch. They ran, and bat also followed to some distance. In this manner, they forget to make the marks. So they walked through a passage a long way, looking at new opening to see if there was anything to remember, but everything seemed to be strange. But they are not able to find the things which was remembered by both of them, but they seemed everything as a strange. Every time Tom checked, Becky would watch his face, and he would say cheerily, "Oh, it's all right." Then it isn't the one. But well, come to it soon. At the last, she saw, "Oh, Tom, never mind. Bats, let's go back. We seem to get deeper all the time." So, without bothering about the bats, they start to quit back in the same direction. But suddenly Tom's of all the sudden the silence was such that even their breathing sounded too late. Suddenly they saw a big light in the front, and they heard faint sounds of evil laughter. Both tiptoed away. Tiptoed means walk on toys. After a while, Becky felt very weak because of hunger. She couldn't walk a little further. See, then they will miss us and hunt for us. They are thinking that somebody's are coming from in front of them, and they will eat them or they will hunt them. Maybe they hunting for us now, Tom said. I think they are. I hope so. When will they miss us, Tom? When will they miss us, Tom? Tom said. When they get back to boat, I believe. This, her friend replied that when they go back, I believe. Just then, Tom looked around and not 20 yards away, a human hand holding a candle appeared from behind a rock. Tom was about to shout with a joy but froze inside. The hands belonged to a Injun, the town's killer. Now, dear students, they lost themselves for 3 days in a cave along with his friend Becky Thatcher. So this is a story how they reach in the cave and read the names written on that, and slowly they move inside a cave into deep, and they forget to mark down some important points to so that they can easily remember, or on basis of that they can easily get back from out of that cave. But they followed by some bats there, so in hurry situations they're unable to mark the some marks there. That's why they forget the route how to came back, and they suddenly saw a big lights there. They thought somebody could kill him, eat him, but it was nothing. It was the man Indian Joy who used to kill the town's killer. So this is a story of two friends, dear students. Very simple story. Read it once again, and from the starting read this chapter once again, and try to complete this exercise on basis. This is long chapter but simple chapter, dear students. Read very slowly and try to understand the meaning. Before reading this chapter, you should read this bird meanings on page number 16, dear students. They will help you to understand the meanings in better manner. And when we meet once again, you can ask me your doubts through WhatsApp or call me. Now, on the basis of your reading, dear students, some comprehension is given to you. A1 is choose the correct option. Very simple. Tom and Becky. Who were Tom and Becky? You all know. Try to complete this exercise as soon as possible and in your notebook. Okay, and now we fill in the blanks out of this. Complete this. Options are given in the right hand side. Looked and noticed. They dash on its ball. Straight, true and false. Tom and Becky were playing inside the cave. What were they? Right or wrong? Try to write on the basis of a reading. Now answer the following question. D1. Answer the following question. Where were Tom and Becky playing? You all know where they were playing. Why did they walk far down the cave? You all know they are reading the names written on the cave, and in that manner they try to write answer in your own words. Okay. Why did the Tom and Becky run? You all know why they run. Because they saw the bigger light. Silence. Okay. With faint sounds of evil laughter. What made Tom run? Try to complete this question and answer in your notebook, and read this chapter once again. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you, dear student, for watching this. And if you are facing any problem, you can call me from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. I will answer to it. And remember, dear student, time for sending your answers will be from 12 noon to 3 p.m. After that, the class WhatsApp group shall be closed. Thank you for watching this. Thank you, dear students.